Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your hair in a photo into a dream with this amazing AI effects. So there's this hair madness effects on Wing on an Android phone. So you can find this app, this Wing app on the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or you can also find it on the App Store if you are using iOS. So this is a Wing app, a photo and video editor that you can use to edit your projects here. So in this case, I'm going to use the hair madness effects on the Wing app to turn a photo. So this is how the effect look like. You can just open the Wing app, and here there will be this meme effects, and this is the hair madness special effect. You can see you can turn a short hair into a long hair just within seconds. So let's just tap on generate in here. Then you can just choose the photo that you want to edit. For example, here let's try to use this photos right here. Now it will generating with AI. First with it will be uploaded, and now it will be processing the special effects. So the estimated time is 5 minutes 36 seconds. So if you want to see if you want to leave it, you can just click on a view later in here, and you'll see the progress in here in the recent tasks. So you can go to the Wing app again, go to the meme effects, and you'll see the result in here in the recent task when it's done, but it's still processing now. Let's just wait until it's done. Okay, so now the hair madness effect is done. First, before you can view it, you need to download it. Downloading the result, and now just click on this to see the result. So this is how your photo now will look like before it is in short hair, and within seconds it will transform with a dream hair, a dreamy long hair just like this. And to save it to your album, you need to click on the save button at the top. And now it has been saved to album. So that's how you can get a dreamy hair using this Wing AI on Android. Thank you so much for watching. I hope the simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. Leave a comment if you have any question, and to keep supporting us, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye!